my name is Marjory Bancroft, and I am the Director of Cross-Cultural Communications and the founder of the program, The Language of Justice. What is the Language of Justice? It's the only national 3-day program for legal interpreting outside the courtroom, where about 75% of legal interpreting is done. This is a program that reflects reality in the field. Court interpreters are not usually sent to community interpreting legal assignments. Community interpreters are, but most of them can benefit from learning what happens outside the courtroom in legal interpreting. That kind of legal interpreting can be, for example, attorney-client interviews, but could also be interpreting for police or depositions or domestic violence. For medical interpreting, it could be sexual assault forensic exams or Social Security disability insurance exams, things like car accident insurance or workers' comp. So what do court and community interpreters need to know? Why does this program exist? Well, court interpreters, when they get outside the rigid confines of the courtroom, need to know how to handle that greater flexibility that presents itself. How do you facilitate communication in a collaborative setting? For example, the attorney really wants to understand the client and vice versa. How do you adapt standards for legal interpreting intended for courts outside the courtroom? Community interpreters, on the other hand, need to understand legal ethics and the differences between legal and community interpreting ethics. They need to know how to intervene effectively, who to address first when you intervene, why you can never be alone with a client in legal interpreting, especially not for attorney-client interviews, and why you must never advocate or perform cultural mediation, but then how do you handle cultural misunderstandings and so forth. And all of this matters because legal interpreting, unlike any other specialization of interpreting, is rooted in law, and it must be performed to the highest standards. The Language of Justice can help you do that for legal interpreting outside the courtroom.